Let's learn how you can create a Merry Christmas trend like this using only CapCut and TikTok applications. So let us start by opening our TikTok application and you will have to click on this search icon in top right corner. Now you will have to visit this profile. I will leave the name of the profile if you can't copy it from here in tutorial description. Click here to go to that profile. Now scroll a bit down until you find this video Merry Christmas. Here will be the CapCut Try This Template button. Click here and click on Use Template. Now it will open you a CapCut application and here you will see the preview. Click and here it will open you your photo gallery. Now you will have to choose which photo you want to appear on your Merry Christmas trend. I will show you some random photo just to show you the example how you can create this video. After you selected the images, click on next and now it will appear a finished project of your video. So you can now edit your image, audio and everything else. When you're finished, click on a blue export button and you will have to choose a resolution here. You can also choose do you want smart HDR or no. When you're done, click on done. And now you can choose two options to save device with CapCut mark and share on TikTok without CapCut. I will share on TikTok so we can escape the CapCut watermark. Here on TikTok, if you want to edit it, click on next and your video is ready to post it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.